With more and more people working remotely, having the right technology to unite project management and resource management could mean the difference between success or chaos. Francesca is a production coordinator for a bustling television studio that provides multiple programs. Not only does the production company function as a marketing agency, it has multiple contracted resources to manage, such as camera crews, actors, and construction crews. The shows have strict deadlines, so clear communication between all the departments is paramount.
I work as a production coordinator for a home makeover show. There's a lot of moving parts. I work to make sure that our crew members, their itineraries are set before we start the production, and that crew, design, and construction are all working together to make sure that the makeover is possible. Once we go into production, it becomes all about managing the schedules. My job is primarily done using my cell phone, my laptop. Couldn't be possible without spreadsheets. So I use a lot of binders and a lot of paper to maintain the project. But if I were to ever lose that binder, it would just be chaos. By far, the most important part of this job is the call sheets. If we have a last-minute change, it's important that I have readily available access to those call sheets and to be able to manipulate them from wherever I am. Right now, we are gearing up for our biggest makeover yet. We have 20+ clients, 3 construction crews, a design team, and our own production crew that's working around the clock. So it's really important that we are doing all that we can to stay on budget, on time, because failure is not an option. I love technology, and I know that there are solutions out there that can help me better manage these projects. I just need to find it.
After doing her research, Fran discovered Mavenlink, a resource and project management solution. The Mavenlink team got her up and running quickly, so she'll be able to manage all her projects and resources virtually from start to finish, on time and within budget.
The reason Mavenlink stood out to me is it's so user-friendly, and I really like their collaboration feature, and to have that resource right at my fingertips it's a no-brainer. I contacted Mavenlink and they were able to deliver my software remotely, which was fantastic, and they had me up and running in no time. One of the things that I love about Mavenlink is that it's totally customizable to my own needs. I'm able to create my own templates and save and reuse them, and to be able to collaborate with my team on what's going on in the project is invaluable. I'm able to see who's available on the entire crew and who may be overbooked, which is really important for scheduling. And it's color-coded, which I personally love.
Whether firms manage 5 or 500 projects simultaneously, Mavenlink provides a complete view of the entire project portfolio. Mavenlink provides real-time visibility through detailed Gantt charts, task lists, and threaded communications that help you understand your most pressing needs.
I'm obsessed with the project page. It's like being in mission control, having access to all of my information in one place. I can post a message to the entire team or send private messages to specific people as needed. With all the moving parts that we have on the construction side, the ability to attach floor plans and photos is super helpful. A lot of times I need an approval on a design. I can send it to the construction team wherever they are and get an answer immediately, so things don't get delayed.
Mavenlink Project Accounting is deeply integrated in the foundation of every project as well, providing immediate visibility into budgets, burn rates, and forecasted costs and margins.
As a producer, I am constantly busy managing and juggling so many different project elements, from the initial creative call to booking your crew, and all within a budget, which is a whole other ballgame. When Fran first shared Mavenlink with me, from my perspective as a producer, making on-the-fly decisions about adding equipment or crew and having the ability to at a glance look at my budgets and make those decisions helps my projects move forward on time. Plus, I'm on location all the time, so the ability to just pull my phone out and see everything I need, it's a lifesaver. I love the status and health page because at any moment I can see if a project of mine is at risk. It's like a little game for me. I want all my projects to be in the green.
With projects, financials, collaboration, resource management, and business intelligence in a single unified environment, teams using Mavenlink are able to connect, collaborate, execute, and thrive like never before.
When you work in television, things are constantly changing, and I myself am always on the go and feel that it makes me vulnerable to errors. Having Mavenlink gives me that extra sense of security that I'm not going to forget anything. It keeps me on track, within my budget, and more importantly, on time.
For more information on Mavenlink and the solutions featured today, visit mavenlink.com.